Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Beetle front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, screwdrivers, and a plastic trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning off the engine. Before you begin, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the process. This simple step ensures a safer working environment for everyone. Next, you'll need to disconnect any electrical components. Carefully locate and detach the wiring harnesses for the fog lights, usually found behind the bumper cover. If your Beetle has a headlight washer system, gently remove the windshield washer hose from its connection point. Take a moment to inspect for any other sensors or electrical connections that might be integrated into the bumper assembly and disconnect them as well. Now, let's tackle the mounting hardware. Begin by removing the Torx screws that secure the bumper to the fender liners on both sides. These are often visible once the wheel well is slightly pulled back. Next, locate and unfasten the main mounting bolts situated underneath the vehicle. There are typically 2 on each side. Finally, remove any additional clips or plastic fasteners that might be holding the bumper cover firmly in place. With all the fasteners and connections removed, the bumper is ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle, ensuring it clears all mounting points. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step to prevent any accidental scratches to your car's paintwork or dropping the bumper. Once removed, store the bumper safely in a clean, protected area until you are ready for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.